October. This time of year, you start getting all the new games for the holiday season. Big developers put out games this time of year, and Far Cry 6 seems to be the first shoe to drop this year. There's not a big docket of games that don't seem like this year compared to other years, but Far Cry 6 is a big one. I'm looking forward to this, so let's get right into it. Now, normally I would put this kind of content on my tech channel, and I do have an unboxing video for this for the PS5 on the tech channel. This is my main channel, and this kind of content is what started my main channel, so I figured every once in a while I'd throw something on here just to support those, you know, the subscribers who were there in the very beginning. Some of my most watched videos are my early tech videos, so this doesn't mean that I'm going away from the car content or the truck content. This is just a kind of a bonus video. So let's open this thing up. Alright, so this is a Gamestop exclusive, the Ultimate Edition Steelbook version. This is for the Xbox Series X and the Xbox One. This comes with exclusive Steelbook packaging, only offered at GameStop. Generally, I buy these from Best Buy, but I wanted the Ultimate Edition Steelbook packaging, and we're about to find out if it's worth the $130 price tag that they charge at GameStop for this Ultimate Steelbook Edition. On the back, we've got the game is obviously motion captured by Giancarlo Esposito. He's the dictator of Yara. His name is Anton Castillo. You're going to become a modern guerrilla and liberate Yara, which is the setting of this game. You can recruit allies to fight by your side, including Chorizo, your trusty dog companion. They named the little dog after Sausage. I think it's Sausage. Is it Chorizo Sausage? I'll have to ask my wife. She lived in Mexico for 3 years. Take your battle to the streets with weaponized vehicles, tanks, and more. Use a deadly arsenal of resourcefully crafted weapons that are built from nail guns, CD players, and more. That's straight out of the Dead Rising playbook, and I love that, so looking forward to that. With the Ultimate Edition, you get the Season Pass, which includes 3 DLC episodes and more, plus the Ultimate Pack. If this is anything like the PS5 version, you're really paying that extra $70 for the DLC, because outside of the Steelbook and the PS5 version, there was not a whole lot of stuff inside the packaging. Alright, let's open this thing up. Now, I'm a collector of this stuff. I don't like my packaging getting messed up, so I hate when the developers or the manufacturers put these plastic stickers on cardboard packaging. Sometimes they can be hard to get off, and you want to heat these up with like a blow dryer. If you have a heat gun, heat the sticker up so that the residue doesn't peel the cardboard away. It defeats the point of paying all the extra money for the packaging if you end up messing it up. Looks like down at the bottom the sticker was loose anyway, so just carefully peel that back. That was easy enough. I can do the top. This one comes off a lot easier than the PS5 version did. The PS5 version was really difficult to get off. I ended up pulling a little bit of the box off at the bottom. Alright, glad to see that this is for the Xbox Series X as well. On the website it looked like it was the Xbox One version, and I didn't see a Series X version. So I got the Xbox One version, but it comes with smart delivery. It is both versions of the game. Thumbs up for that. Shout out Jerry Rig Everything. Alright. Alright. Front of the packaging has a chicken. This packaging is textured. It's a nice Steelbook. I remember collecting DVDs, and I loved buying the Steelbook versions of the DVDs. The difference is the DVD Steelbook versions were not a whole lot more expensive than the regular DVD versions, whereas this is $70 more. So we have an alligator on the back, or crocodile, whichever. Again, textured packaging. Unlike the PS5 version that had no stickers on the casing itself, we have a sticker at the top of the Xbox version. So I'm going to peel this off. And like I do with these Xbox stickers, I like to put them on the back of the case. Like so. Alright, let's open this thing up. Got the Far Cry 6 game disc. It looks like it's just a standard disc, which means all the extra content is going to be on the code. And like the PS5 version, you get very, very little, next to nothing, in addition to the code and the Steelbook packaging. It seems to me, again, that for all that extra money, you'd want some sort of box set with collectible stuff. This is just, you know, 10 years ago, you buy a $130 Ultimate Edition. I mean, I remember when Call of Duty came out with one of those Ultimate Editions, and they came with night vision goggles. Like, this is, for $130, you're not really getting your money's worth. But, you know, I paid for it, and I kind of knew what was coming, so I can't really say much. Season Pass, Become the Villain. You get the additional content, includes Far Cry 3 Blood Dragon Classic Edition, 3 more DLC episodes, and more. Gonna be careful not to flip my code over. When I did a Hitman 3 unboxing, someone took my download code before I had a chance to get my download code. You get your normal warning and safety information. There's that chicken again. And again, the game disc. And that's it. One for gaming. Alright, that's it. I said before, this Far Cry series is it should be in third person. This game would be way better played and more enjoyable, in my opinion, if it were third person. I'm not a big fan of first person sandbox games. I think sandbox games should inherently be third person over first person, but these games are still awesome. I just have to play them in smaller doses. First person tends to give me a headache, so that's that. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit that bell so you get notified for all the videos. I appreciate you guys watching, and y'all take it easy.